This 20 feet container house have everything you want. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 20 feet containers. The total area I have taken is the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter and the width is 8 feet in meter 2.43 meter. In the front we have a sliding door here. After that we'll go inside, so we have living cum kitchen area. The size of this area is 15 feet into 7 feet 4 inches in meter 4.57 into 2.23 meter. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink, and also we have two large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. And on the right side we have a sofa arrangement and also TV unit on the front wall, and we have a single bed here. For the ventilation and light purpose we have a large size window here. After that we will go inside, so we have a window here, and on the left side we have washroom plus water closet here. The size of this washroom is 4 feet into 7 feet 4 inches in meter 1.21 into 2.23 meter. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have two ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.